getting ready to go racing, and so great to be doing it on a Thursday night. Going to be under the lights when we finish, but right now the sun's out and we are green with Grant Enfinger and Sheldon Creed leading the way.
We didn't see really very many guys up in that traction compound in practice or qualifying. They're already up there.
Enfinger didn't get off to a very good start from that outside starting position. Sheldon Creed has taken a lead, as we saw, going to get up out of the groove there and outside that traction compound. Creed leads the first lap with Enfinger second.
There's Johnny Sauter, that teal number 13 truck, looking for some room. Riding along now with Matt Crafton.
Check out the loose truck skidding up the track. That's Ben Rhodes. Now we're 3 out on the back straightaway. Matt Crafton with the big push to Moffitt.